Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So I decided my first video to be me straightening my hair because why not? Yeah, so I'm going to show you how I straighten this lion head mess of a hair. So as you can see, I have super frizzy hair. So yeah, let's see how this goes. I'm also going to be trying a new product to straighten my hair, which is going to be the Revlon One Step Dryer. I think that's what it's called. But do you guys see how massive this is? Like the size of my face or my head. I don't know. But yeah, I've heard so many good things about it, so I decided why not give it a try and try it out for the first time with you guys. So yeah, let's see how this works. So first I'm just going to section off my hair. So I'm just going to leave, ouch. I'm just going to leave a little piece at the back. Do you guys hear the sirens? I feel like that's how people know you're from New York City. If you hear the ambulance, the police, a siren in the background. Okay, so I have this on, this little piece out. I don't know if I mentioned, but I already applied heat protectant. Yeah, and I look so crazy. I'm like scared to turn it on. Okay, hopefully it's not too loud. Let's see. Okay, before I start, I guess it's gonna have to be like music over because it's way too loud. But I did notice I felt the heat already coming through when I turned it on. So yeah, let's do the first pass and see how it goes. Okay, do you guys see that? It straightened it. I don't know how I'm gonna get to my roots because it's so big, but it looks good. I mean, this is the before. You can see. And this is the after, and it feels so soft. And I don't have any product in my hair. So yeah, let's keep going. I like doing one side of my hair first, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I have like a little bit of frizzies here, but do you guys see this? Like, it leaves it straight and it has a ton of volume. So you want like your ends to be bumped in, you just have to roll it in. Also, I've noticed this doesn't get hot, so you can actually hold it. But yeah, I'm gonna keep on. Okay, now we have one side done. So I didn't part my hair properly, so I couldn't really get in here. But wow, guys, this looks so good. My hair looks so good. So I'm gonna show you guys the before and after. So look at this, guys. Before I think it's worth the hype, but let's see till the end what happened. So hot. So I had it in the low setting and it got really hot. But guys, I'm gonna put a little bit of oil, just a tiny bit. To tame the flyaways. But guys, you see this? So I'm all sweaty, so my hair's like sticking to my forehead. But guys, I look like a whole new person. So I think I got the back. But do you guys see? Like, it's straight, but it has a volume. Like, not like when you straighten it with a flat iron that is straight up flat. It has a volume. Like, sis, you need to get this. Okay, now let's talk about what I think of the product, right? I need to do my baby hairs to cover up this big forehead, but yeah. I think it's worth it. Like, I didn't believe the hype. Everyone was like, oh my god, it's so good, this and that. I think it's worth it. It's not gonna leave your hair pin straight like a flat iron, but look at this. You guys saw my hair at the beginning. Also, I have very thin hair, okay? I don't have thick hair at all. And look how my hair looks. Like, it's flowy, bouncy, it looks thick. Like, what else can you ask for? So I got mine at Target for $60, and I'm so glad I did, because I hate doing my hair. So this makes it way easy. Like, I think it took 15 minutes. If I wasn't talking and pausing, it would have took less. But yeah, definitely worth it. You guys let me know what you think. Is it worth it? Is it not? Have you used it? Let me know in the comments down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so sweaty, it's so hot. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Comment and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.